Hey guys, going to do a box break on camera. Haven't done one in quite a while. The new Panini Threads 2010. Got 24 packs. Let's see what we can come up with. Down a little bit. Name off any rookies or anything I see. Gridiron King of Joe Namath. That's a pretty nice looking card. Rookie Devin McCourty for the Patriots. Sticker autograph numbered out of $4.99. Not that good of an autograph, but nevertheless we'll take it. There's a rookie card of Terrence Cody for the Ravens. Not numbered. Cornell Cadillac. Century Legends of Roger Craig. Not numbered. Crabtree. There's a Brian Urlacher Century Stars. Not numbered. Nice shiny card, Devon Bess, numbered out of 100. Brett Favre. Standouts, Generations, Dan Fouts, Phillip Rivers. Not numbered. Rookie card of Roger Saffold for the Rams. Wrong rookie. Not numbered. Peyton Manning. Shiny card, Ryan Fitzpatrick for the Bills, numbered out of 250. Gridiron Kings of Bobby Bill. That design's pretty nice. I like those. Nice Tom Brady. Rookie card of Joe Webb for the Vikings. Not numbered. Rookie card of Marquise Pouncey for the Steelers. Let's see. Florida drafted round 1. Huh. Can't say that I've heard of him. Gridiron Kings of Billy Houghton. That's a framed one. Oh, that's real nice looking. That one's numbered out of 50. That card's nice looking right there. And a rookie card of Daryl Sharpton for the Texans. Ooh, nice. Quad jersey. Sam Bradford, Jimmy Clausen, Tim Tebow, and Colt McCoy. Rookie collection materials. Quad jersey, and that one is numbered out of 299. Too bad those weren't some patches or something in there. Pretty outstanding looking card. Matt Ryan. Looks like we got another hit. Oh, that's a nice letter autograph. C.J. Spiller for the Bills. Letter L. That one is numbered out of 280. Autograph. Check that out. Oh yeah. Nice. Looking for one more hit. Got about 8 or 9 packs to go. Let's see, triple here of Brett Favre, Adrian Peterson, Sidney Rice. Not numbered. Pretty nice looking card though. Looks like that one's probably made with some jerseys or some patches in it. TJ, who's your mama? Century Stars of Reggie Wayne. Not numbered. Century Stars of Chad Ochocinco. Not numbered. Peyton Manning. Century Legends of Bo Jackson. Not numbered. Looks like a hit of Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Tight end jersey piece. Numbered out of 299. So 2 real nice hits. And 2 weak hits for the Patriots. Got 3 or 4 more packs. Box probably did. Looks like I got an extra hit. Rookie Kareem Jackson for the Texans. Numbered out of 250. Generations of Bo Jackson and Darren McFadden. Not numbered. Knock the camera over. Andre Anderson rookie for the Raiders, not numbered. And the last pack, Vernon Davis, holofoiled, numbered out of 250. So what am I sitting on here? About 8 minutes. I'll show you the hits again real quick. We had the Rob Gronkowski jersey piece. You know. Had the Devin McCourty autograph. That was also for the Patriots. Two real nice hits of the quad jersey piece. Bradford, Tebow, McCoy, Clausen. Real nice. And then the best hit out of that box was the autographed letterman, C.J. Spiller. Pretty nice. Nice looking autograph. So just the C.J. like Chris Johnson. He actually signs his last name. Spiller. C.J. Spiller. So thanks for watching. That's what I got.